Hello guys, welcome back with me Chocho 2025. Today we're going to talk about ControlNext SVD V2. This is like a ControlNet for stable video diffusion. It like Animate Anyone but better, but not as good as Mimic Motion. Here are a bunch of examples from the site, but from my experience, the result is way better from Animate Anyone, but not as good as this sample. So don't expect to have a great result like this. From the site, it seems you can't get better face, and they suggest face fusion, but you could use Reactor to change the face or any other face editor. How to use Reactor or face fusion, refer to the link on video description. Also, I don't know if this is right or not, but it seems the site suggests continuously fine-tune to significantly enhance performance on a specific pose sequence, so we need to continuously fine-tune the model for just a few hundred steps. It might how you get better result, but I don't have the capability to do fine-tune. Like I said, the result is better from Animate Anyone, so is not that bad, but not that great either. To install this, you need to have SVD first, so refer to the link on video description about installing SVD and ComfyUI. Next is to go to Manager, search for ComfyUI nodes for ControlNext SVD V2 from QRIS. Install it, and then wait until you ask to restart. While we wait, access the QRIS ComfyUI ControlNext SVD page and select example folder. Download the first workflow, then open the workflow. We need the model for ControlNext SVD V2, so access the ControlNext SVD V2 model link in video description, download the model, and save it on models/unet. The next thing is you need to select your image and your video source. Set the frame rate and setting the K-sampler. Anyway, you also need to have SVD model here, so refer to the link on video description. So we have everything. Let's try running it. The result is quite moderate. As a comparison, I show you what we can create with Mimic Motion. I try upscale, sharpen, interpolation, and repair the face. The result is better, but still mediocre in my opinion. Even with increasing context and step, the result's still below Mimic Motion. Currently for me, I think I will still use Mimic Motion, but seeing this, there is hope that it will be improved or there will be better model. Even Mimic Motion, the first model with lower context look bad, so if there is a better model for this, I hope we can generate better video with this. Anyway guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. See you again on the next episode, and have a nice day. Please subscribe.